In this video, we are going to talk about sales funnel for Shopify. Stay till the end of this video because I'm going to give you one-on-one consulting with me for free and pre-built sales funnel for Shopify. So let's dive into this video. Hello everyone, I welcome you to my YouTube channel and please leave a comment in the end of this video so I can improve my videos in the future. Whether you get some value from this video or you don't get some value, please leave a comment. So in this video, we are talking about sales funnel for Shopify. So what is sales funnel? Sales funnel is a simple process which helps us in converting a random person on the internet and convert them into a buying customer for our business. This is the whole process where sales funnel comes in and helps us in creating the whole process where we can convert the random person on the internet and then convert them throughout and take them throughout the process and then convert them as a paying customer. So let me take you to my screen and show you how you can use sales funnel for your Shopify business. So guys, before we go deep into this video, let's talk for a minute. What happens when we go to a McDonald's shop and we give an order for a burger? The person over there asks you whether you want drinks or fried potatoes or any other stuff or any other meal, right? So what they are doing, they are increasing their revenue with the same amount of customer. This is called upsell. So whenever we create the sales funnel, we do upsell, which will help us to increase our revenue with the same amount of customer. And what is the next thing we can do? We can build our list. Whenever someone is coming to our sales funnel, we capture their email address, their name. So whether they buy from us right now or not, we can follow up with them in the future. And this is our asset on the internet. So if you are working on a bodybuilding or like fitness related niche, so whenever someone is coming to your page, okay, you will capture their email address. So whether they buy your fitness course right now or not, or whether they buy your fitness product right now or not, you can follow up with them in the future, okay, and try to sell them in the future. And this is how you will be able to sustain in the business for the long term. Okay, so the second thing is building list. So the first step of the funnel is opt-in page. This is the page where we will capture the email address and we will create our list. Okay, so this is the page where we'll give them something for free and ask for their information. Okay, this is the page where they will submit their information and get something for free. We can offer them anything like a cheat sheet, a training, a webinar, or anything, whatever you want, or something related to your business which will be helpful for your clients. Okay, and when we get their information like their email address, we start to send them emails, okay, one after one. This is all automated and you can automate everything. It will take time, but once you will automate everything, it will be very helpful for you and it will be all automated. So once we get their information, once we get their email address, we start sending them all the email and whatever we have promised them to give them in this page. Okay, so after this page, we'll take them to the second page, which will be our order page. So this will be the order page, and in this page we'll sell our product. This is the page where we will be showing them our product and sell them the thing which we want to sell. Okay, and this will be the button where we'll sell the product. So in this page we'll sell our product. So if you are selling a course or if you are selling a physical product like a protein shake, if you are in a business, if you are in a fitness niche, if you are selling a protein or something. So in this page, you will show them the pros and cons, testimonials, and everything related to your protein. And after this page, we'll send them to the upsell page. This will be the page where we will try to increase our revenue by giving them an offer. Okay, this will be the upsell page. This is our upsell page, and here we'll try to sell them something for higher value. So if the cost of your product was $20, in this page you will try to sell them something for $80-$90. There will be two kind of people who will say yes or no. So there will be people who will say yes or no. So people who will say no, you will send them to this next page, which will give them an offer to buy the same services for a little lower value. So you are giving them a discount if people say no, or if people say yes, you will send them to the next page, which will be the second upsell. So in this page, you will also try to sell them something for higher value, so it will increase your revenue. So this will be the second upsell page, and in this page you will give them another offer which will be very exciting for them. So this is how you can increase your revenue for your Shopify business, and you can create your list which will help you to sell your products again and again, or sell different products to the existing clients. If you are a beginner and you have no technical knowledge for creating these sales funnel, don't worry. There is a software called ClickFunnels, which is owned by Russell Brunson. This software will help you create sales funnel with just drag and drop software, and it is very easy to use. All you need to do is go in the description and click on the first link, and you can take your 14 days free trial from there. And if you take your 14 days free trial from the link in the description, I'll give you one-on-one consulting call with me for free, this exact sales funnel which I have shown you in my screen, and 13 more bonuses which will help you with your journey. So thank you so much for watching my video till now, and I'll see you in the next one, and I wish you best of luck, and see you.